Diane, I'm finna feed the family.
Feed
My
what
love.
family?
My
Well, leave them
love.
goddamn birds alone.
Diane, stop hollering.
Before it be like birds and we gonna be around here running.
Say
Shit.
what?
We gonna be running, goddamn it, stop, leave them birds alone.
Say what?
Go ahead, I got time for you. Shit.
Diane, sit down.
I'm not gonna sit down.
Let me feed your mama now, your cousin.
Go ahead, you see your goddamn granddaddy. Shit.
Diane, stop hollering.
Why you ain't take them damn roses so we can take them over there to the funeral home?
Diane, you want me to feed the human on your shirt, or you want me to feed them?
Why don't you just go in your ass in that damn water and drown? Because I
Diane,
get some
please,
goddamn
stop
insurance
hollering
money.
now.
I'm tired of you.
I'm trying to feed the birds.